It's very yellow. Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 3. It is 11:26. I just finished my video. Like the final edits, it's uploading now as 3 minutes left. I need to take some photos for my thumbnail, but I have to go back to my nail technician because this nail lost its gold thing. Like, can you see that? Like that gold tape. I also want to make these white nails glossy. Ooh, because they're matte. I don't want that. I think it looks prettier when they're glossier. But I'm very tired today. Very tired. So I kind of have to leave. I have to pick up my dad again. There's something wrong with this truck, and it is like this all the time. But he'll have to wait. I'm also gonna stop by a shop and buy some like timers. I actually have a timer for my Christmas tree in my bedroom, but it doesn't work properly and I don't like it. So I'm gonna buy another one. I'm gonna buy 2 so I can have one for our main Christmas tree when we buy that. I'm really tired today, I just want to sleep. But I can't really do that, can I? I am in the car, I need to pick up my dad. I've done my nails. Took me like 10 minutes. I've run some errands. There's so much traffic right now. I have to pick up my dad, but apparently it's very slippery, so it took a while for him to get where I'm supposed to pick him up. So yeah, I have so much work to do. It's stressing me out. Also, I think someone's in my bedroom last night, which sounds very creepy, and it is my dad's calling. Hello? I can't remember what I said. No, I can't remember. But yeah, I have a lot of work to do today. I'm very stressed, but I also really need to clear up my closet, like wardrobe. Like it's so messy in there. It makes me, no, I hate it. Like I wear the same things over and over and over again, and I usually do that, but like this is a lot. Like, yeah. I kind of want to redo it, to be honest. I want the IKEA pack system, but I'm not going to do that because I'm probably going to be moving in a few years and that's expensive, and I would want that in the new place too. So yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. It's expensive, very expensive. So yeah, it's going to be a work day today. Probably going to work with my sister. She has her exam next week, I think. So we're going to go downstairs and work. This red light, it's just 2 cars go and then the rest of us have to wait, and it takes so long to like get through town. It's ridiculous. And I don't even live in like the city, like Oslo. I'm close but not that close. I can show you my nails. This is what they look like, if it will focus. There we go. Fix that one. I've now got glossy nails. Glossy? Shiny. Shiny top coat and not matte. Okay, so I want to talk to you about something. This is one of the things I hate talking about, but I want to mention it because I know a lot of people, especially this year, have struggled with it. If you've followed me for a long time, you know that I struggle with anxiety. It's gotten a lot better. But this time of year is usually very difficult for me. From like October till February is very difficult because it's just so dark outside. December is usually a bit better because it's Christmas and all that, but today is a rough day. And that's okay, it happens. I switched out my medication. When was that? Probably like March, April. And I took quite a heavy dose of anti-anxiety. And I have halved that this year. During my breakup, I did so well. I chose to half it, like obviously in intervals. I did that with my doctor. Don't do that yourself, and talk to your doctor about it. And a few weeks ago she was like, yeah, I think you can reduce even more, and I did, and I don't think that's going so well. Just because I've been really anxious, and I'm very anxious now. I just feel like crying, and that's okay. Like, it is like that sometimes, but I think I'm going to go back to 10 mg. I'm on 5 right now. I had 20, well, I took 20 mg milligrams in March, so I've done really well. I've halved it, and that is great, and that's medication I can use for the rest of my life without it harming me. And it's completely fine to take medication to get help. It's completely fine, and I think people need to stop making such a big deal out of it, because it helps me, and that's what's important. It helps me live my life the way I should, worry free. But yeah, I think 5 was just a bit too early right now, especially this time, and I was a bit skeptical, but I wanted to try. Turns out it wasn't the best idea, and that's completely fine. But I'm gonna go back to 10. I'm allowed to do that myself. But that is me and my doctor. Talk to your doctor, please. But yeah, I'm not feeling myself today. Like, at all. But, yeah, I just wanted to mention it. I think I'm actually gonna do some baking, because I really love it. That usually makes me feel a lot better. Put some music on or something like that and just, I don't know, bake something, and obviously I'll show you. But I just wanted to mention it, even though I feel very vulnerable talking about it. Just know that I'm here. You're not alone. Everyone struggles. And some people struggle with anxiety, some struggle with depression, some struggle with both, some struggle with different things, and that's okay. Everyone struggles, but not everyone talks about it, and I think it's very important to talk about. Especially as a person that puts themselves out there, I think it's important to not just show the nice, glamorous, everything's fine kind of days, because it's not always like that. I set mine on quite early today. It's 10 to 9. I need to jump in the shower because I faked out. I need to wash my hair. And I woke up to this. Okay. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I need to change my bedding today. My mum also found the advent calendar yesterday, so I opened 3, and then I'll show you 4 later, and also the dog's calendars. But I need to wash my hair. So I'm gonna jump in the shower now. The Christmas lights do look very pretty though. That is very funny that they only have lights on like a sixth of the tree. I always find that so funny, but it's just so massive, that tree. I kind of also want some lights here, but I can't be bothered, to be honest. It's just me who sees it. So I'm a bit like, I ain't gonna do that.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot?
I have showered, I've had my breakfast, I've edited the first part of this video, and I am just working on an assignment. So I have about 2,000 words, no, I have 800 words left, so that's good. Hopefully I'll finish that soon. I need to go through these. I really need to get this done. I've been slacking so bad lately. I got my coffee, just have my hair pinned back. I hate having my hair like in my face when I'm working. I hate it. But I have my hair in a bun way too much. I didn't film anymore yesterday after that chat. I talked. I really recommend talking to a loved one when you feel like that. So that's what I did. But I cried a lot, so my head really hurt and nothing really helped. So I just went to bed, to be honest. I also bought some Christmas presents. I did something that would make me happy. I was too tired to actually bake, so hopefully I'll get that done today. I'm not sure. I've hoovered. I just need to tidy up a little bit and do a bit of cleaning. But I need to finish this first, so that's what I'm doing. I just thought I'd update you. I hate subjects like this. This is my worst subject. I hate it. It's academic reading and writing, and it's so boring. Like, so boring. I have sugar, what's it called? Sugar Rush? Christmas on in the background. Just have something on, that way the dogs don't bark. Morning. I'm gonna do this one's advent calendar. That's number 5. Ta-da, Santa! Number 5. There we go. You want these? It smells so bad. Here you go. You're welcome. You're being a good boy. You're a good boy waiting for yours. Hey, so funny. There we go. I've opened all. Miracle needs his too. Mannen, kan du rope på Athena? Mina! Kom now! He doesn't really get this. Look at his tail. Say, Mina! Mina! Say. I can't open it. Say. Oh my goodness, he's so bad. There we go. Yummy. He's being a good girl. Like, try to eat the plastic. They love these advent calendars. It's a bit too yeah, you like it. Michael goes crazy. Mina! Oh, she's coming. Wow! Remember. I think I still have these. I'm gonna put these in her little food. What's it called? Food container. Food. Dog food bowl. There we go. I'm going to open mine ones too. There's number 5. They made it into little shapes now, which I think is so cute because they used to not do that. So now they are gingerbread men and a little parcel thingy. What is that? Some chocolate? I don't know. But yeah, that's so cute. And then mum's. The big one. There. What is this? Here. Some sweet. Thanks, Mum. Right, so I'm going to do some baking. And I'm going to make some puffed rice chocolate balls. What do you call that? I don't know. So I've got all the ingredients laid out. I'll show you. It's very messy. So obviously you'll need puffed rice, chocolate, this is vegan, some vanilla, powdered sugar, a little bit of butter and some coconut fat. So that is everything. What does the recipe say? I'm going to melt 300 grams of chocolate in this with 1 teaspoon of coconut fat. That's going to be very difficult to measure. My camera's running out of battery. 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to mix some vanilla extract in there. 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar and as much puffed rice as I want. But whilst I do that, because that's a boring part, I'm going to adjust this camera.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
No, den har blivit.